So welcome to the session. In this we will be creating a table. In fact, two tables here. The first table will show us the win by highest goal difference. We'll have the date and the team which has done that. How much was the difference between the win team and the losing team in terms of goals. So for that, let me first of all, for that we need to have a team name, winning team name. So we already have the winning team name we did on the last session, that was full-time win team. We have this, and then we need to have a goal difference. So for the goal difference we also have that. Let me just insert a measure to find that. We can have that through. So we can just subtract the full-time away goals and full-time home goal. So in few of the cases we may get negative numbers as well, because we are not sure that which one will be greater. Home team goals will be greater or the away team goals will be greater. So to solve that we can use ABS function. So let me, I will show you. So ABS, what ABS function does is it whatever calculation is done inside the ABS, it will give out only positive numbers. It will eliminate the negative numbers. For example, if the output is -3, then it will show you only 3. So data time away goal minus, okay, that's not working. Away goal minus data full time it's giving me an error. So let's find out why it's happening. So it should normally work. So instead of that, I think it will not work on the ABS. It doesn't work on the measure. It works on the columns. So we can remove this, delete from the model, and add a new column instead of the measure. So the formula will be same. Everything will be same. Just instead of adding a measure, you will be adding a column. It's got stuck. So let me just explain you what I was explaining you earlier about the difference and why I'm using the ABS. So it's, if you can see full-time home goal and full-time away goal. For if we take this one as a first, then we will get a positive number. We go and scroll. Let's filter out. And for example, if I filter out 6, 7, and if I take the, as you know, we are taking home goal as first, and if you subtract with full-time away goal, then we will get a negative number. So 1 minus 6 will be your -5. And if so, in any case, if we take a home team or away team, we are going to have a negative number at some place. So to solve that, we are using the ABS function. in the main column, just paste the DAX which we have already created and copied, but we just deleted it. And this will work. So it's not giving me any error. So a table, you can see here we have it. And now let me just add a table here. And then in this we will have the, first of all we will have the year and month, that when the game was happening, in which year the game had happened. So year, month and day, we'll have these three. Okay. And then the next we will have the team name, that is full time win team. This you can have it here, and then the full time goal difference. What is full time goal difference? We have here full time goal difference. So if I just rearrange it, it's a goal def, and then it's, this is your winning team. If you remember, we already have, we had to put this win team while calculating this card. So we have more space here. Okay. So on the 2009 November 22, Tottenham won the game with a difference of 8 goals. Okay, so let us filter out this and check if it's right or wrong. It was November 9, 2000. We can filter out. It's November 22. Yes, it's the date. And if we see, there are 3 matches. So we are talking about this. Tottenham versus Wigan. That is, Tottenham scored 9 goals and Wigan scored 1 goal. So we can clearly see the difference is 8 and the winner is Tottenham. So this is, from this we can cross check that our data is correct. Now let's do this, do some formatting of this. And formatting should be header, column header should be this, then fine, background, it has this one is the background. Yes. So let's copy. We already have a table here, so we can just copy the formatting from this. It will be much easier. So we have to find the yeah, got it. So now in this we will be also adding a title that will be by list. Yes, this will be your small 10. It's fine. This, this one to color. Should be white. This one. Yes, it is. Okay. It's looking fine. So we can have, so the next table in this series will be your the next one will be game changing comparison of full time to half time. So we'll have another table which will give us uh, data which states that if, for example, in this table we'll be seeing that which team was leading in the half time but still they lost the game. So this will be an interesting stats. For example, if Arsenal at the halftime they had scored 2 goals, leading by 2-0, but still they lost the game. So to find that data, we have to do some create some DAX, and for that we already have full-time win team. So for similarly, we need to also find the full-time away, sorry, half-time. Uh, as we have the full-time win team, we also need to find the half-time win team. So to do that, let's go to the query editor. Let's find out and calculate the things. So this will be, as we created the full-time win team, so then we will be creating which team was winning in the half time. So in this, what we will be doing, similarly we will be adding a conditional column here, full time. So the conditional column, add a column, conditional column, then this same steps will be taken here as well, which we took in the, so the name should be stop. So the column name which we want here is half time away goal. Half time, let's take home goal. No issue. Is greater than, also need a column half time away goal. That's the home goal and this away goal. And then what it should give me, it should give me home team name. Home team. Let's add more one condition here. And same half time home team, half time home team is less than, just a column, away team, half time away team. Fine. So give me away team. Okay, else give me blank if there is a draw. I think full time home team, home goal, home half time away. So we have You can see we have the teams which are winning at the halftime, or what is the halftime result winning teams. Okay. Now, the last thing which we will be also doing is game change. Game changer, how we will be adding this? Again, a conditional column. Here we will be adding the conditional column. Here will be game changer means, is there a difference if the name is different? Full, if full time name is different than the, sorry, half time name is different than the full time team name, then there is a change in the winner compared to half time and full time. For example, if half time name is, let me show you one example. Arsenal, we have um, Arsenal. Here you can see here. In half time, that's Swansea was winning, but in the full time, the winner was Arsenal. Okay, so we can cross check this by, let's go 95th row number is half time goal. You can see Thompson is awaiting. Okay, so awaiting, it was leading 1-0. Thompson was scored 1 and Arsenal has had 0. But in the full time, if we see, Arsenal scored 2 goals and the Swansea didn't score any goal. Sorry, in they had just 1 goal. So this is the game changer. So this is an example. So we, and now in the next column we want to see only the Arsenal, because it has changed the game. So if there is a difference between the name of the halftime win team and full-time win team, then the full-time win team name should come up. Let's add one more conditional column, and the name should be game. You can write any other name as well. So in this, if halftime halftime win team is equals to empty, then it should be empty. So you just don't need to add anything, just leave it blank. Else, if halftime team is equals to full-time team, and change this to column full-time team, then also empty. Else give me full-time full-time. So let me just explain you. If you see see these 2 columns, okay, so we don't want those names which has half time as a blank, but there is a name in the full time. We don't want that. Okay. Also, we don't want that names which have same names at the half time and full time. We only want those names which have which had a different a name at half time, but the name in the full time is different. If we have Liverpool in the half time but Arsenal in the full time, then we want that Arsenal name. So you can see here full time is equals to blank, half time is blank, then give us a blank. We don't want that. And then the next condition is if half time is equals to full time, then also give us blank, else give us a full time win team name. Okay, so there's only 3 logics, so we have applied that. I think there is null pull. uh, I think this is a bit different. Okay, I think there's something mistake I did. Let me just check through this M code. Each if half time when is empty, then empty. Else half time when equals to full time when, then empty, else full time empty. I think it's right. Hmm, if half time is empty, then actually we have a condition that full time. You can see here that if half time win team is empty, then it should give me an empty result. Else if this equals to this, then this that, but it's not doing the same. So full time is full time. What's happening? So I think I found the issue. So let's go and we go again to the conditional formatting. You can go to the source by just double clicking on the gear icon here. So instead of blank, I can just put null here. Same goes here as well, null. And we'll have null here. So just put null. Hope this will fix the issue. Yes, you can see for halftime we didn't need if blank, so then also we need the blank. If full time is blank, then also we need a blank. And you can see the change name here. Let's see for first change. Yes, Arsenal. So you can see halftime winner was Everton, but in full time Arsenal has won. So this is the result which we have won. Same here as well. One example, Arsenal and Bolton. Yeah. Let's go and apply this, and then we can have the table. So let's go to applying changes. So our data has loaded. Let's, yeah, and then here we can just add the name of the team, uh, the team name, that is a full time leading team, and then game change. So the full time winner, and then we can have the half time team winner as well. Okay, let's change the name. Full time lead, half time team, and we don't want a blank here. So to remove the blank, what we can do, we can just add a filter, that is full time leave. Okay, full time. Okay, so the full time, we don't need this full time, half time is this, and in place of that, we need the game changer one. Full time win, and we have a lot of blank here. So to remove this blank, so to the view filter, the filter, apply a filter on the full time win team. And this, select all and blue blank. That's it. And let's lock this, and it should not be hidden, should be not be visible for the person when we publish this on the web. So we have the result here. So full-time winner was Arsenal, but at the end Manchester United won the game. So the last graph which we'll be doing here is your average goal. Okay, for that let me just change the title as well. Is your changed this. So this is the half time. So let's keep this session till here, and the next one we'll be adding average goal per team, and then we'll be getting the next page, which will be seeing us and which is the most aggressive team in the email. So hope if whatever we did here is clear. Thank you and take care.